Hi, Jaspreet.
Hi, how are you?
Good, good, good.
I just wanted to ask you to share your experience in the healing
Uh,
as well as your feedback testimonial. If
I
you
actually wanted to come on call because a couple of times people asked, like, Neelu asked, what all can YPB take care of? And I wanted to give my example because I've been a client with Jaspreet for a number of years now. And just like Indrajit ji said, she's like my first call rather than to a doctor. She's my first call. So taking care of things like a couple of years back, I'm a beauty content creator. So I do beauty and lifestyle, and for me, my face is important and gives me confidence to an extent. So 2 years back, I just started getting a lot of acne. Acne in the sense, big boils on my face. So every day I would get up, there would be one more boil. Every day I would get up, or maybe second day there would be boils. I tried topical stuff. My confidence level was totally going down, and topical stuff was not working. So I finally got in touch with Jaspreet. I think I got in touch with after 2 months of it continuing. So instantly, it doesn't strike you at times that okay, let's look at other options rather than looking for medicine. And Jaspreet worked on it. I think it took about a week's time before any new acne stopped coming, and then the face started clearing up. And I know it sounds very small when people have like huge problems and you're talking about boils or acne on your face, but when your work is related to that and your confidence comes from your personality or your being, uh, it takes a toll on you, honestly. And that's just one example of things. I recently, for example, if I give you an example of what I consulted her last, was I was going through a bit of a depression. I lost my father in November and then my mother in December. So I wasn't sleeping well. I would keep awake in the night. I would, even if I go off to sleep, I would be on the surface, like the slightest movement, the slightest sound, and I'd be up. And I just was not sleeping. Finally, I spoke to one of my friends. She also lost her father. So we were just chatting and kind of trying to give strength to each other. And she was like, I'm having the same issue. And I started taking sleeping pills. So she gave me the number of the doctor who was giving her the pills. She gave me the name of the pill and she said, you might be able to get it over the counter and all that. So before doing that, I spoke to my husband. I said, can we like look at that? Because I desperately want to sleep. Not just because I want to sleep, because I was becoming very irritable. I would become angry at the slightest provocation. I would get irritable with my kids. And so my husband was like, no, pills are not happening. So he was like, pills are just not happening. So then he said to consult Jaspreet again. I consulted her. She started with extra healings for me. And I'm so thankful to her that I was able to sleep. And it's like after 2.5 months of being like that since November, I think. So we're not 2.5 months, more than that now. We're in April now. So not being able to sleep at all to this. Today I slept in the afternoon. And my bell rang and I had to literally pull myself out of my slumber to see that okay, I need to go and check who's at the door. It was that deep a sleep. And when you don't get sleep properly and for a long time, you just become so crabby, you become so irritable. And I'm just so thankful to Jaspreet for that. And I'm just giving example of what all can YPV take care of. Sometimes um, my child tends to get very very angry with me, and he becomes so angry that he will become volatile, my younger one. And he's sitting right here with me and he's listening to this conversation. He's going to get very upset with me after this call. But he gets very upset with me, as in really really volatile. And earlier we used to like somehow physically manage him. But then I started calling Jaspreet, like he's not okay. And she would heal. Like, I'm in Bombay, she's in Gurgaon, but she would distantly heal him and heal me, because I obviously get agitated at that point of time. And calmness prevails eventually within 15-20 minutes, and that makes a lot of difference. And I wish I could do that. Like, she tells me, I've done YPV with her. and she tells me, you practice. My problem is I don't practice. And she tells me to do that. And I'm like, when he's agitated, that time my mind doesn't really work to sit in a place and be able to heal him or heal myself or calm myself. That time I need an external person to really help me through it. And that's what, so she's my first message or first call to kind of help me through that situation. So YPV literally takes care of everything from emotional to physical to even financial issues. I have done a manifestation with Jaspreet. I think this was 3 years back. Yeah, I think 3 years back. I wanted my husband to have not I wanted my husband to have a change of job. He wanted to have a change of job. And we were looking for options and he was looking for options. And he's known in the community that he works in. He's very known in his community. But something or the other, and things would not click. Something would come up, it would not close. So finally we did a manifestation with Jaspreet. So basically you put in your wish and with energy healing, you make that wish come true. So it may sound, I'm putting it in a very layman's term. Obviously there's modality to it. What is the wish? And then there's also involvement of what all we need to do to ensure from our side what wish comes true. But through energy healing, she moved it that wish actually came true. So which is not related to emotions, which is not related to physical. So YPV literally takes care of everything. I wish I had the time to practice it. I don't. So that's why I'm I'm probably one of her oldest clients. I'm so thankful to her for that.
She's the youngest client, not the oldest.
No, my younger one is the youngest client.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.